make a web and climb up of this
do you know,
this thing?
this is science.
This is science.
Do you know why gravity doesn't pull it down?
Why doesn't gravity? It should pull. Gravity pulls everything to the ground, doesn't it?
Like,
Why is it not going to the ground? It just shot up into the air.
that's why. Do you know that there's helium inside?
There's helium in here? What's helium?
Helium is a gas.
It's a gas. And why is it rising, this gas?
And the gas is lighter than the air.
The gas is lighter than the air surrounding it, so it's simply going up and up. Until, well, this weight is holding it down. I guess this weight is being pulled by gravity. Or is it simply that this weight is heavier than the air?
He doesn't know that yet.
Okay.
But he'll say, hey, this just goes back on the top.
Whoa, the coin just fell to the floor. Why did the coin fall to the
That's
floor?
kind of weird.
Yeah, what, the balloon is going up.
But this is going down.
But the coin fell down.
That's kind of weird.
Why do you think that is?
Because why does this go up? And why does that go down? I want to know that.
Do you know? Oh,
The gas is lighter than air. And
the gas is lighter than air,
and this is heavier than air.
and that coin is heavier than air. And it's as simple as that. Wow.
That's what happens.
Wow.
Stick in there.
In the water?
And if you wait for one day,
Yeah.
and for example, it will just carry up there and then find your stick.
It'll finally sink when it gets full of water, but now it's floating. Why isn't gravity pulling it to the bottom of the jug?
Because this is lighter than water.
It's lighter than the water it displaces. So
And if I even
if you push it down in,
all the way in there,
does it stay at the bottom? No, it floats back, just like the helium balloon floated back because it was lighter than the air. The stick is lighter than the water, so it's floating back up to the top of the surface. Just like an air bubble would rise up, because the air bubble is lighter
if I
than the
even
water.
drop it in, if I even drop it in,
Oh, try
if I
again.
even drop it in,
Well, yeah,
it still floats.
it still floats until that water soaks up until the wood soaks up a lot of water.
That's what happens.
Yeah.
Because gravity doesn't pull this down for some reason.
Because gravity doesn't exist. Gravity is not real. Gravity is simply an expression of buoyancy. Things that float in the different air or water, or like for example, if we had to take a bowl of, take a bowl of mercury liquid, like gallium, but mercury was a very dense liquid. You could take an iron bar and float the iron bar on top of the mercury, just like you can float a stick on water. Can you believe that? That's incredible. That's all about buoyancy and density, not gravity.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, things float if they're lighter, and things fall if they're heavier, in whatever medium they're in. The water, the air, or the mercury.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good lesson.